Everyone, welcome back. This is my weekly projection on the dark cloud cover on the Euro British pound. This is on the 1 daily time frame. So each one of these candles represents 1 day of movement. So what we're going to do is you can see Friday, the market closed and opened up Monday with a bearish candle higher than a bullish candle. So in this case, there is a red candle higher than a green candle, which is showing you massive rejection. The fact that this candle has closed very, very bearish on a nice sort of intraday level of support. You can see where the 2 wicks from today and yesterday have all bottomed out at exactly the same level. I'm looking for a break through rejection in this market to go to the south side. So we're going to be entering the market around the 0.86725 mark, and we're going to literally stalk it 1 to 1 to take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So as soon as this trade has been triggered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post up a following video showing you how we're going to keep our investments safe. We're going to be moving our stop loss to make sure we bank some profit, and we will also be in the second video just be checking the news because we've got an election Thursday, making sure no news is going to come out. I've already checked the news for today, and it's absolutely fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a previous follow-up video to see exactly how this trade pans out, and hopefully you'll make some money.